Pay leave that such some say you promise me I bear me pay.
Kami mo't ban ong ba baro arangot ki bahay maya. Layaw pide.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka surna urendang basyang Kong Catherin Pyngrope kala Sawa biang sa sisien ha ka music video ka bala ay kerteng Ngan bat phi. Ya ka ba ilarway lang bat Jason Sandor Pyngrope. Ya ka ni ka music video la pelaj ba ha ka nyotrek ulber arja punriu da brother Solomon Morris ubala long kumukongsan ha ka jiadon ringkat lang urang ba asnong ka umpling uba Sanwat F Pyngrope ubala long kumusembut kongsan bat kiwe kibala sya khot sobha.
Haba pet yak mat jong pi ngakan mau kitu ken ki sngi bas dang su thiet hanga ka jing I ba shisha.
Firstly, I would like to thank God for the countless blessings that He had bestowed upon each one of us, especially throughout the journey of Ngan Pi. SJNS stands for Sylvester, who is my husband, Jesse, that is me, and sons, our three sons, Darren, Rupert, and Denzel. This production house, it was born unplanned. We never planned, we never thought. Now, my husband is himself a songwriter, but he never thought of producing or coming up with any of his music and music videos. In fact, all his songs are carefully preserved in his diary, which is carefully locked for no one to see, maybe to get it. However, in the year 2022, his devotional number, Jingbam Bin Sim, was recorded. Catherine loved the song so much, so she recorded the song. It went well. Then another idea came up to the mind, like, why only the song? Why only audio? Why not video? Then, okay, video. Then it goes on. It took quite some time, even with the first MV, the first music video. And it dragged, but then finally, we end up producing it. So thank you, Kong. In fact, she's the one who encouraged and pushed us to do so. Maybe we'll go ahead with many other singers, but as of now, Catherine is the face of this production house, so to say, okay? But we do hope that we'll be able to bring out many more MVs and to bring out many more of my husband's song, which is carefully preserved.
It's amazing how you brought life to the song. The breath of new life, and what more in Khasi. I'm happy to write songs with you. makes me want to take time out from recording my music to write more melodies to be sung in Khasi. And make sure I will do that this year onwards. I'm not too old as yet. I am honored to have played a small part in the production of this song you all are releasing today. I wish you the best of luck with Ngan Batfi. You have conveyed the emotions very clearly. And Catherine Jordan, great singing. Congratulations to all of you all. And I can't wait to hear more music from you all.
points as I was coming, I was saying to myself, like, what does this mean? And it struck me, like, Catherin has been a teacher in our school for so many years, and she goes about her work diligently. She teaches a lot of young children to sing. It's something that we normally, when they have Teachers' Day and stuff like that, most of the parents, give gifts to teachers who are teaching, subjects. But they forget sometimes people like Catherin and David's wife, Kami. She's an aerobics teacher. They also have a lot of impact on children. And they teach the children how to sing. And so life is bigger than just school. So I'm so happy that Catherin has gone beyond school, So we can get stuck in the school with our work, but I think life is bigger. So it's good to see her doing this, There is a life after 3 o'clock where you can really explore your talents. You know the gospel where Jesus says that to whom much is given, much will be expected. So those who have talents, don't just bury it, use it. And it's wonderful to see that people like Sir David and Sir Sylvester, Gregory, all using your talents to enrich people's lives. So basically that's what you're doing. So I congratulate Catherin for that she's able to look just beyond the school and bring out your talents. Your personality is not just confined to one place. Your personality is all-embracing. The world is your stage. The world should be your agenda. So I'm so happy, Catherin, that you're doing this. You're actually using your talent. If you don't do it now, why will you do it? They say, no, carpe diem, seize the day. Because we've got such a short life to live. We see people just getting a heart attack, just dying, So I don't want to be pessimistic. What I'm trying to say is, let's use our gifts to spread joy and love and meaning to people's lives. And it's wonderful to see the four who sang, you're actually using God-given talent. So on that note, I just want to congratulate once again Catherin, and Jordan is not here, but to all the people who contributed to the music.
Generosity for in the production, but he is very much behind us and supporting us. Thank you very much.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.